Yes.
Like, stop clubbing because I'm your man.
No.
Mina bang tampele lo.
Thank you. She's singing.
You got a lot.
So let's get into that. What happened?
What was the story, madam?
So basically, I was like clubbing a lot, right? Like I was going out a lot and going to parties a lot, and he was like
Prior
yo,
to DJing, by the way.
Yeah, prior to DJing. It's like, yo, like I'm not happy with this lifestyle. And I'm like, oh, okay, cool. I'll stop. Friday comes.
And she switched off her phone.
So basically, like, I'll tell my friends to like not answer his calls and I'll switch off my phone. And,
He'd call you and start calling your friends.
yes. Like it was that bad. And I was just like, yo, Asana, this is terrible. Then there was a time where I was wearing like this, I'll never forget that day. I was wearing a blue tracksuit, like baby blue. Guys, I came back brown. Like
Event color part.
Every color was roaming.
so he proud. He said, what do you mean? And then at the gate, they're like, so I'm trying to call. Like, yo, like, maybe it's open for me. He's like, actually, if it's like, go back to where you come from. I'm like, open the gate. So now there was a car coming in. So I ran inside. And I ran inside to his house. So like, dude, like, please, please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'll never do it again. And that time I told myself, because I saw how brown it was, I'm like, there's no way I'm going to be done with this lifestyle. I'm done with this. I'm tired of this. I'm never doing this again. And he never forgave me. And then he broke up with me. And I was like, oh, okay.
That's fair. So he was more of an indoor person.
But now, this is where the problem is. Ne? The problem is that manje,
Right now.
Yes.
Like he's the groovers now. And I'm just like, but why did we do this together? Like
Yeah, it
when
would
we
have
were
been
together,
so much
why didn't we
fun.
do it together?
Yeah, you guys would have had
If you
so
can
much fun.
actually have fun, then why didn't we do it together? Like, why are you restricting me? If you want to have someone, dude, he's even more than, like, he's more of a groovist than I am. I would go there to work. He's going there for fun. Like, I'm just like, yo, like, my G, why don't we do this together? But it's
Hi guys, so this one said Sima needs to stop seeing herself as a villain. She admits a lot and she's selfless. She always believes she's wrong. Hayibo, uright phela mangabe ethatha i-accountability. Into right leyo. Kunomuntu lo ohleze eblame abanye abantu ngama mistakes wakhe. Mina nje I salute her for doing that. Nje ngokuthi awabona ama mistakes akhe abona ukuthi yes, she was wrong for doing this and that. I think it's a good thing. If you love your woman, clubs are not the place you want for her. Yeah, I remember that there was this time, hey, you guy, hey, ngoba, like he used to allow me to go out with my friends, but wayefuna ukuthi around 12 ngibuye sengisembedeni sengilele and wayengvideo caller ukuze abone ukuthi yes, I'm in bed, I'm home. Hey, ngoba so into engangiyenza ke mina ke ngivele ngifuna ukuya out ngivele nje ngigulise ngithi ish baby I'm not feeling well ngimvideo call ngigulise ngisembedeni ngithi ish I'm sleeping early, good night, I love you so much, ngithi good night, bye. Qeda lapho ngivala ifoni ngehle embedeni ngishayishiya ngigqoke ngithi ubaba chomini kuphi ngihambe ngize ngibuye ekseni ngeke phela habe and nje shame I was still young so nje awuba ngibona ukuthi hayibonakho ngizo ngagroove ngenxa yomfana awuba guys no. But he still loves her. Guys, I don't think uGoshlube uyamthanda uSima. I think mangabe esebona ukuthi ish kambe ngizoyenzani masephele ama ideas content uvela acabanga uSima and then uyazi vele ukuthi uSima will say yes because I think uSima is the one osathanda uGhost. uGhost I think uGhost usamove on nje. uGhost nje into ayenza mina ngokubona kwami angisho ukuthi iyona into kuyiyona, it's just my opinion. Mina ngibona kwami nje uGhost nje uyamuse nje uSima umuzele content naye uSima kuvela avumele phezulu sana. I shame kubhlungu ukuthanda umuntu because wow, what? Sima is gag funny. Yeah. Otilo, I don't blame him. I'll do the same. Okay. This one is a drunkard. Yeah, she was, but angithi ukuthi she got the help that she needed. Now she's okay. So she's fine now. Leyo nto leyo yokuhlushwa utshwala yokuthi aphuze into ekwi-past manje say right. So yeah, that is why she's been getting all this money out. Has zero to show for, no apartment, no car. Asia and Shembandla. I remember there was this video that was trending on TikTok. So was spreading humors Sima and Ulo Uzile benoyanda benza le video le behamba beyongena emotweni zabo, and people were commenting saying ukuthi yo, the comments were insane, guys. Was wavala my comments uzina muyanda no post video between the two. But the comments were insane. Abantu bethi nje vele obviously usima uthatha video bekhuluma nje besho ukuthi yeah, but kuyavela ukuthi hawu shebe angithi nakho wayisebenza naye njengabanye, but yena akana apartment, wehlela no ghost angithi mangekho ka ghost uhlala kubo, wengena apartment, imoto dololo. Kodwa manje ngoba she came out washo inkinga yakhe, so sesiyazi ukuthi why lezi zinto angenazo, because she's drink. Guys, ukuya out kuyabiza, guys, especially uma le ntombazane le ephuza imali yayo, hayi le ifika ihambe eclubini yokuhambisela ukuthi ithengela abafana. Ukuya out nje kuyabiza. Ungasho nje ukuthi hey mina nje angithandi nje ukuya out, thandi awunayo imali ngoba nasema restaurant asikuboni. Ungasho ukuthi mina ngithanda nje. No. But anyway, guys, that's it for me. Please share your thoughts under the comments. More love, and I'll see you on my next one.
Now you wanna be free, so